All right, guys, here is another video for you, very similar to what we did for the Order of Operations YouTube video. This time I'm going to be going through your student side, so that way you can work on your student side and then you can just watch this video to check your work really quick. So all you need is your student side open and a pencil. The only other thing you might need is a multiplication chart if that's helpful for you. So let's take a look. So right now would be a time where you would pause the video. I want you to try finding the rule for this pattern independently first. So pause the video now. All right, I'm just going to go through and give the answers and explanations to these questions. So first thing I notice is that the numbers are getting bigger. Because the numbers are getting bigger, it's either going to be addition or multiplication. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I've heard that before. It is addition. The rule for this pattern is that you are adding 5 each time. You have to be careful and make sure that you are checking. You don't have to check literally every single one because there's a lot of numbers on this one. But I would say at least check like the first 3, maybe even 4, just to be certain that the rule applies to all of them. And yes, the answer is yes. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So the rule is plus 5. That's it. That would be your answer, plus 5. All right, moving on. If you have not already done so, pause the video so that you can do this problem. All right, first thing I look to see is, are my numbers getting bigger or smaller? And they are getting smaller. I'm going to try subtraction. Let's see what happens. I'm going to start at 30 and I'm going to count down till 27. 30, 29, 28, 27. That was minus 3. I'm counting down again. 27, 26, 25, 24. Ooh, that was also minus 3. Minus 3 also works here. And it works there. So your answer is that the rule is minus 3. All right, same deal, guys. Make sure you're pausing to try to solve this on your own. Okay, you are back in play mode because you're ready to get the answer. I notice that the numbers are getting bigger. This time, it is actually going to be a little bit different. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 times 2 is 48. Here's the deal, guys. I don't expect you to know your 12 times tables. I don't expect you to have your 24 times tables memorized. To do a quick little thing over here, you could just do 12 plus 12 gets you 24. 24 plus 24 does get you 48. So your rule is multiplying 2. That's your answer, multiplying by 2. All right, pause the video. Okay, let's take a look. This one looks a little bit different. This says, what should the 4th number be? I'm really making sure I'm underlining, highlighting that 4th. This is my 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. It really helps me to draw that blank line there, so I know that I need a number that goes right here. So let's see. I'm thinking, my first thought was that it would be times 2, but then I looked ahead. 8 times 2 is not 12, so that's not going to work. So it must be addition. So let's try plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So the rule is plus 4. So that means if I go here and do another plus 4, 12 plus 4 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is your answer. What should the fourth number be? The fourth number should be 16. And remember, guys, I'm just going quick. I'm just giving you the answers. If you are like not understanding what's happening, then we will hit that and figure it out at the small group table. This video is really just to go through the answers, see if you're just straight up doing it right, not right. Ooh, this is my favorite type of question. Guys, look closely. It says, what should the seventh number be? This is where it's stretching your brain and it's turning this whole math skill into fifth grade level stuff. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Here is where getting in the habit of drawing your blank lines comes in handy. And I just added in little commas to separate my lines because drawing those blank lines forces me to make sure that I am actually finding the seventh number and I'm not getting lazy. I'm not accidentally doing the wrong one. So my numbers are getting smaller. Let's try subtraction. I'm just going to start at 81. I'm going to count down to 77. 81, 80, 79, 78, 77. I subtracted 4. Let's try this one. I'm going to count down. 77, 76, 75, 74, 73. That was also minus 4. So I feel pretty confident that my rule is minus 4. So I'm going to draw my little arrow guy. Minus 4, 73 minus 4. 73, 72, 71, 70, 69. I am not done yet. You have to keep going. 69 minus 4. 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. Gotta do another minus 4. Gets me 61. And a last minus 4. 61, 60, 59, 58, 57. So your answer is right here. The seventh number should be 57. If you got 69 as your answer, that's because you didn't look too closely at they wanted the seventh number. All right. So what's going to happen now? Thank you for listening. You can close your notebooks now. You guys are going to come. I will call some of you slowly over to my small group table to do some extra practice so that if you were stuck, I can explain it to you a little bit more. And if you were like, this is dumb and easy, we can do a little bit extra challenge. Good job, guys. It's time to work on your playlist now.